Saan ka mas kinakabahan? Sa pasarela or sa Q&A?
Q&A, of course. Kasi I know that we'll be tackling about war and violence and anything under the sun, diba? Kung napanood nyo naman yung ibang grand international competition yung past years, iba-iba talaga. Hindi lang nakafocus dun sa war and violence.
Pero Emma, coming to the competition ulit, from another international pageant, going to Miss Grand, ano yung mga binago mo dito sa Miss Grand, sa pagsali mo sa Miss Grand?
Ibang Emma talaga to. Kung nakita yung Emma ng binibili, that's gonna be grander. So, abangan na lang nila sa international stage kung anong klaseng Emma yung makikita nila. Siguro naman may patikin na ng Miss Grand Philippines.
Pero Emma, what made you join again?
What made me join again because I don't want to have regrets. Ayoko nang merong what ifs. Kaya sabi ko, let's try again. Baka kaya pa this time with all the collective experiences that I have. Eto na nga, andito na tayo. We're aiming for another back-to-back victory and I'm happy to represent the Philippines.
Does being a newscaster adds up to your personality ngayon?
Of course, a lot talaga. Not just being a news anchor, but being a TV host, events host, ang daming naitulong-tulong sa akin.
Tsaka yung confidence na humarap sa tao.
Oo naman, kasama yun kasi kahit naman walang tao dun sa pag-news anchor, no? Pero ang dami nanonood worldwide. So, and it's live.
And the speech, diba?
Oo. So, malaking tulong
How you communicate.
sobra. On how I communicate, be a good storyteller or communicator.
Yes. Sino yung mga nililook forward mo na contestant sa Miss Grand?
Naman me?
Nakabat?
Siguro si Chayman, Indonesia, parang lahat naman. Gusto ko din mag-meet din, mga Latin America candidates.
Ano yung payo sa inyo ni CJ?
Ang payo niya sa akin is just be me. Kasi sabi niya, akin magugustuhan ka naman nila. Kung paano ka nagustuhan dito sa Philippines, I'm sure magugustuhan ka na nila doon. Just be you, your personality and being that.
Emma, anong mas nakaka-pressure? Being a beauty queen or being a newscaster?
Both! May ibang pressure silang dala. Kasi as a news anchor, hindi naman, pag sinabing news anchor, ako kasi I'm a news presenter. So kami po ay nagbabasa ng news. No? Pinapasa lang sa amin yung news items at kami yung nagbabasa. Nakaka-pressure doon kasi you're bringing a big information to tell to a lot of people. And being a beauty queen naman, you're bringing the Philippines in the international stage.
Pero Emma, hindi mo ba binalak like si CJ Hero kasi nag-venture talaga siya with journalism na hindi mo pinaplan na maging ganun din?
May ibang personality si Ate CJ, no? Si Ate CJ Hero, and I commend her na ganun siya, grabe magsalita. Siguro, I have a different personality, so gagamitin ko yung voice ko in a different.
Dear, last na for me, ikaw ba, anong take mo dun sa sinasabi nila na dapat ang mga beauty queens or mga kings is dapat very vocal when it comes to social issues?
Tulad yung sinabi ko kanina, no, nung nag-interview tayo kanina, kapag ang beauty queen ay nagsalita, may masasabi ang tao. Kapag hindi nagsalita, may masasabi pa rin. So my message to the queens and kings that you have your voice, you have the platform, and I hope that you will use it in the right way. Don't let other people be the captain of your own ship. Kayo po nakakaalam kung paano nyo magagamit ng tama ang inyong boses. So I hope that you will use it in the right way.
How do you handle the pressure of having a back-to-back win?
The pressure is so real, but so is my passion. Kaya naman, mas mangingibabaw pa rin po yung passion na meron ako sa puso ko kesa dun sa pressure. So, I will turn that pressure in a positive one.
What can you promise to all Filipinos?
What can I promise is that I will give my very best in the international stage. As long that you will support me and pray for me, then we can aim to that back-to-back victory.
So are you the next Miss Grand International?
Praying and hoping that I will be the next Miss Grand International.
Claiming it.
Yes, let's claim it!
Thank you so much. Maraming
Thank you.